Good afternoon and happy Sunday. Thanks for joining us today for yet another wonderful virtual open house with Karen Hall Associates. I'm Troy and I'm going to be your host today. We're going to take a look at beautiful 233 Tracina Drive in Coronation Park, Oakville. Fantastic location. This is a totally custom build, artfully conceived and masterfully executed, but we'll get into the details shortly. First, I just want to talk about the neighborhood. Filled with beautiful properties, tons of pride of ownership, close to the lake, close to the marina, lots of trails, close to Burlington Provincial Park, and of course, major access to highways and all amenities. Really one of the beautiful spots in Halton. Let's take a look at this 76 by 150 lot. Gorgeous custom build offering over 6,000 square feet of livable space with every square inch attended to. Let's take a walk. Nice long driveway, lots of room, soldier course, professionally landscaped, not too over the top, just right, easy maintenance. Irrigation system, of course. We're talking a smart home here, smart home that is facilitated by Control4. And that does everything. Literally your irrigation system, the planters have little water feeds. It's fantastic. You can just enjoy. Let's go up the driveway and into our house at 233 Tracina Drive. We're offering at $3,195,000, and there's so much value in this amazing custom build. Oversized garage doors. Beautiful entranceway. Again, smart interfaces everywhere. Access points and connectivity wherever you can imagine. Into the front foyer, grand entrance. Beautiful masonry work, clean and simple. Bright and airy without being cold or sterile. We're greeted by oiled wood floors, oak, gorgeous. All our interfaces. Nice office. Again, right off the front. Nice view of the gardens. Spacious, roomy, luxurious baseboards, luxurious crown molding, pot lights. We have a nice sitting area here with one of 5 fireplaces. Nice oversized natural gas fireplace. Huge windows. Attention to detail everywhere. Again, 233 Tracina Drive, a custom rock cliff build. And more than that, just it's been executed exceptionally. Through to open dining room. Again, the continuity of the oiled oak floor is just beautiful. Warm and inviting and consistent. Central staircase, lots of room, wide, not cramped. The glass is Starfire glass, beautiful glass. Maintain that open, airy feel. Let's get into the kitchen, the heart of the home. Tons of space, huge oversized island, walnut finishes throughout. Lots of great light, huge windows, sub-zero refrigerator, Wolf built-in appliances, big 6-burner Wolf range, Vent-A-Hood. Pot filler right there, love that, especially if you're cooking for family. Again, every detail just beautifully executed. Door out to the gorgeous backyard. We'll see that towards the end of the tour. Again, nice deep lot, nice usable space. Into family room, we got another panoramic gas fireplace. We have a beautifully finished ceiling. interfaces again everywhere. So connectivity, built-in speakers, again, all controllable with Control 4, facilitating all the smart home amenities. Doors out to the side yard with a wood-burning fireplace. Beautiful sitting area. Lots of great usable space. I'll just show you one nice feature that anyone can appreciate. Between the dining room and the kitchen, we have a servery or a butler's pantry, and then a nice big pantry as well. Tons of storage to keep you organized and keep you sane. Lots of surface area to help when you're hosting, so you can really enjoy your guests and not the work it takes. Again, we've got over 6,000 square feet of total livable space here, completely custom and contracted day-to-day from the original builders. Nice mudroom, again, access to the side yard, a dog wash here, or in my case, if you have little kids, wash the feet and boots off. Throw them in a dog wash. Great area for getting the kids ready. They have cubbies, hooks, tons of closet space, and fantastic large garage. High ceiling, high doors, wall-mounted openers. Fantastic, because you don't have the openers hanging down. What a great space. You have more than enough room to do a 2-post or a 4-post lift. Either if you're a weekend warrior in the garage or just like to store that vintage puppy up out of the way. Tons of room here. We've got our irrigation system, again, all smart controlled, and central vac, of course. Beautiful epoxy floor. Let's take a look upstairs. Again, the consistency of design, the openness, the airiness, so bright, beautiful. The glass rails, again, the Starfire glass, really letting the light bounce through, giving that feel of open, airy, lots of space. Nice mezzanine here. Let's go see. Huge skylight, tray ceiling, just gorgeous. Into the master bedroom. Again, the oiled oak carries through. Tons of storage space again. First walk-in closet. Beautiful big room. The Juliet balcony with French doors overlooking the yard. Just gorgeous. Fantastic dressing room with pocket doors and frosted glass. Lots of shelving, lots of storage. Again, just beautifully executed. What more could you ask for in a master? Another panoramic gas fireplace. And above each fireplace, where we have artwork or televisions, there's connectivity points. This house is well engineered for technology and overbuilt for connectivity and access points. Just wonderfully conceived. Master ensuite, beautiful bright space, heated floors, amazing storage options right behind huge mirrors, wall-mounted fixtures, and floating vanity. Just look at this view of this backyard. Gorgeous. Wake up, have your coffee, see all the green, lush and beautiful. In this plan, we have 4 bedrooms upstairs, and there's a bedroom downstairs as well. They've chosen to use the space to make each bedroom luxurious. Each bedroom has its own bathroom ensuite. Again, through our glass railing into another lovely bedroom. The continuity carries throughout the home. Continuity of design, consistency, just creates so much peace. Huge walk-in closet. Beautiful ensuite with a curbless shower. Nice floating vanity, backlit mirrors. Again, for those of you that are just joining us, we're at 233 Tracina Drive in Coronation Park, Oakville. We have a wonderful 75 by 150 lot with a completely custom built home offering 6,000 square feet of total living space. Property taxes were just under $16,000 for last year, and we're offering at $3,195,000. Bedroom 3. Again, nice and airy, coffered ceiling, crown moldings, large closet, pocket doors, and again, its own ensuite. Continuing on, curbless shower, floating vanity, backlit mirror. Just wonderful. Bedroom 4 won't disappoint either. Nice large room, Palladium window, beautiful blinds I should notice on all these windows, and large ensuite as well. Amazing finish, just so architecturally interesting. Double skylights in this bathroom and large tub, beautifully appointed. Not to mention my favorite, pocket doors and a great usable closet. One other nice feature on the upstairs is the laundry. Quartz countertops, deep soaker sink. Again, tons of surface area for folding or whatnot. The machines of course are monitored. So part of our smart control home with Control 4 is flood sensing. So if a machine is having a problem, you get a text message. We have a broom closet, actually, that's more than a broom closet. This is one of 2 HVAC systems in the home. So again, having more zone control combined with a smart home system facilitating it, you're mitigating any fluctuations of thermal inertia is fantastic. So just very well done. Everything thought of. Look at that giant skylight. Wow, it's beautiful. Just feel like you're having tea somewhere in a grand estate. Let's go see the basement, one of my favorite parts of this house. Again, the oiled hardwood continues all the way through, the glass railings, huge space down here. The entire basement floor is heated with radiant heating. Efficient, warm, and cozy. Wet bar, beautiful shelving options, double beverage coolers. Fantastic for entertaining. And again, I just got to repeat it, the whole basement floor heated. It is so toasty and warm in the winter. It's wonderful. So much space. Deep windows, beautiful armor stone retaining walls, another panoramic fireplace, large walk-up, beautifully flagstone, glass and stainless railings, just amazing. Private fitness room with rubberized floor to take those impact. Again, connectivity, television, hook right into your smart system. Amazing. Here's a feature the kids are going to love. Family movie nights. Amazing stadium option for seating. Large HD projector. Large screen, again, all interfaced, all connected, everything we can do, it's beautiful. You can have it run the music system and the multi-zone audio throughout the home, movies, stream anything, home videos, fantastic space. Just great for family evenings or parties, kids' birthday parties, I'm thinking. Another room, great bedroom for guests with an ensuite privilege. This is actually a steam shower, beautiful bathroom. You can close the vents and steam it out, maybe after working out in your private gym. Look at all the space here. Of course, there's more storage. There's a large storage room over here. Fantastic amount of space. And then there's the other mechanical room, which we'll skip for now, but has all your mechanical controls and smart home server, etc. Let's go see that backyard. We'll go up the central staircase again, and then go out to the kitchen. So any questions, please feel free to reach us, Karen, Paul, and Associates. Beautiful home. I'd love to give you a private tour. We can really go through all the features of this fantastic custom build. Look at this backyard. It's just beautiful. Tons of space, clean blank slate. You can make it into anything. Gorgeous. Such a peaceful part of Oakville, close to the lake again. Let's take a look at the side yard. I just love this. Sitting out here with a wood burning fireplace, maybe in the fall. Just so nice. We're on a cool summer night. Well, again, 233 Tracina Drive in Oakville, right in Coronation Park. Thank you so much for joining us. Please contact us at karenpaul.com. I would love to arrange to show you this house in person. It shows amazingly. It's such a beautiful, well-conceived and masterfully executed home. I'm Troy, and thanks so much. Have a wonderful weekend.